for this little micro investigation, we're taking our pipe cleaner, assuming that we have both pipes and a way to clean them. We want to fit the following descriptions. We're just basically making some graphs. So the first one, we want to make our graph F increasing and concave upwards. So if it's increasing from left to right, it needs to be going upwards, and concave upwards just means that it's curving upwards. So I might have something like this. Okay, if it's decreasing and concave upwards, I still need it to be curving upwards, but this time it's got to go from left to right, it's got to go downwards. So it looks sort of like this, right? It kind of, you think of it as being a reflection across, say, the y-axis. Okay, so on the next two pictures, we want concave downwards. F is increasing, so it's going upwards, but concave down. So it's still increasing like this one over here, but I need it concave downwards, sort of like this. It looks sort of like maybe the natural log function, right? If I look over here in the margin, come on, where's the laser pointer? Doesn't want to, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Okay, yes. All right, and then decreasing and concave downward. Decreasing, still going downwards, and still going downwards and concave downwards. Okay, so the going down like this, but shaped downwards like this, concave down. So here you go. So again, a reflection across the y-axis. All right, the next follow-up question is like, where's the tangent line? Where does the tangent line appear in relation to each one of these curves? All right, well, I'm going to come back over here so I can write on the screen. So when it is concave upwards, as we can see, if I draw in a tangent line right here, right? If I draw in a tangent line right here, right, you can see in both of those cases, the tangent line is down below, and the tangent line's actually getting steeper, right? All right, if I draw in some tangent lines over here in the second picture, the tangent lines, once again, are down below the curve. When it's concave upwards, the tangent line is down below the curve. Or another way to think of it is that the curve appears above its tangent lines. And in this case, since it's concave, or since it's decreasing in concave downwards, you can see that these things are getting less and less steep, the tangent lines are. All right, let's look at the ones that are over here on the right-hand side. Put in a little point for the tangent line, put a little point for another tangent line, and you can see in both of these cases the tangent line is up above, or I can think of it as the curve is down below. And the rate at which this thing is increasing, it's increasing because it's going upwards from left to right. The rate at which it's increasing is slowing down. Okay, let's do one more. Tangent line. Tangent line. And so once again, the tangent lines appear above the curve, or I can think of it as the curve appears down below the tangent lines. And in this particular case, the rate at which it is decreasing is actually increasing. It's getting steeper and steeper and steeper. Okay. So you can see in each one of these cases, we're saying that in the first one, we are increasing, but it's increasing at an increasing rate. The next blue one here is decreasing, but it's decreasing at a decreasing rate. It's starting to slow down. And then vice versa over here, we are increasing, but the rate at which it's increasing is slowing down. And then finally, this last one, which is decreasing, but it's decreasing at an increasing rate. It is speeding up. It's getting steeper and steeper and steeper. And since we're talking about rates of rates, concavity, we can see, is related to the rate of change, which is the second derivative. Okay,